Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a QR code for SurveyMonkey. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open the survey you want to create a survey for. So let's say this one right here. And once it opens up, I want you to come here and click on collect responses. And first we are going to be creating a web link collector. Okay, so here just go ahead and scroll down and choose this option right here. Send surveys your way. We'll be choosing our own way. So just go ahead and click on this. Then I want you to go ahead and share a survey link. So click on share a survey link, and then our link would be created. Once we have this link created, all you need to do is come here and click on it, download QR code. By the way, this is a premium feature. Okay, all you need to do is click on download QR code, and the QR code will download as long as you have premium SurveyMonkey. And it's that easy to create a QR code for SurveyMonkey.